Hey guys, so for the past couple of months, I've been working on a project called Dexter. Dexter is a 5-jointed robotic arm that's meant to be very dexterous, and hence the name Dexter. So what you're looking at right now on the screen, on your main screen, you should see a virtual simulation of the actual Dexter arm. And in the corner, you should see the control board. So with this control board, we can actually control Dexter, and in this case, the simulation. So as you can see right here, I can rotate it at the shoulder joint. I can do up, down, out, and in with the joystick. And I can control the wrist with this throttle here. Plus, I can do a rotational wrist joint like this. And finally, I can pick things up with the pincers or let them go. And it's all simulated just like that. So the way it actually works is once I give this thing an input, it takes that data from the sensor, gives it over to the Arduino. The Arduino, once it has it, pushes it over via serial communication to the computer, at which point the application processing takes over. So once it gets over to processing, processing does some math with it, which you can see right here, and figures out where the arm should be, what it should be displaying, what kind of colors it should be giving, and displays it on the screen, which is what you see right here. Now you might ask, why do this? If we already figured out how to do it on a physical model, why not just put it on a physical model? Well, there are a couple reasons. First of all, it helps me figure out a lot of math errors before they ever come up. Like I figured out a few sign errors and ambiguous cases. But more importantly, it helps me work out the programming ahead of time. If I know my program is working perfectly, well then I can figure out why the actual arm won't work is because of either mechanical or electrical failures. So that's why I simulate it, and this is Dexter. So I hope you enjoyed the talk, and if you want to hear more about the project and see the physical model itself, you can check the links in the description below.